Yo, chip chasers and stock slingers, buckle up, this is huge. It's Area 72, your nitro-fueled war room for tech titans, market mayhem, and billion-dollar bets that rewrite industries. Today, we're exploding the bombshell. NVIDIA drops a $5 billion stake in Intel, sending Intel stock to a 52-week high and sparking a custom data dev alliance that'll shake Silicon Valley. If you're glued to the semiconductor saga, smash that like button, slam subscribe, and crank notifications. We're unleashing these market-crushing exclusives to supercharge your portfolio plays. Let's dissect the deal, unpack the power shift, and sling a prediction that'll ignite your trades. Comment now, Intel's comeback or NVIDIA's puppet play? Let's dive in, full throttle, flash to the frenzy. September 20th, 2025, Intel's shares blast off to a fresh 52-week peak after NVIDIA's jaw-dropping announcement. NVDA's not just cheering from the sidelines, they're injecting $5 billion straight into Intel's veins as an ownership stake. This isn't pocket change, it's a strategic lifeline in the AI chip arms race, tying the duo in a pact to co-craft custom data solutions. Intel, battered by AMD's claws and its own stumbles, gets a cash tsunami to fuel fabs and R&D. NVIDIA? Betting big on Intel's manufacturing muscle to scale their GPU empire without solo strain. X is on fire, hashtag Intel NVIDIA trends with traders toasting, chip marriage of the century. Fun fact, this stake could value NVIDIA slice at premium multiples if Intel rebounds. Like if you're buying the dip, comment if it's a trap, the deal's guts? NVIDIA's $5 billion buys equity in Intel, sealing a joint venture for bespoke data center tech. Think AI accelerators tailored for hyperscalers like AWS or Google Cloud. Intel's foundry woes? This cash could turbocharge Ohio's $20 billion megafab or TSMC partnerships. Financial flex, Intel's market cap hovers $100 pre-spike. This infusion? A 5% immediate jolt, analysts whisper. NVIDIA's angle? Diversifying supply chains amid US-China chip wars, owning a piece of Intel hedges against Taiwan risks. No exec quotes yet, but whispers from the street, Pat Gelsinger's grinning, Jensen Huang's plotting world domination. Broader stakes? AMD and Broadcom sweat, duopoly vibes incoming? Share this with your trading crew. Let's decode the dominoes. Market madness? Intel surged 7% intraday to that 52-week high, volume exploding 3x average. NVIDIA? Dipped a tick on dilution fears but stabilized, investors eye the synergy. Seeking alpha's pulse, this cash windfall could slash Intel's debt, boost buybacks, or fund quantum leaps. Analyst chorus? Bullish, Morgan Stanley ups Intel to $45 target, citing NVIDIA validation. But bears growl, Intel's execution history? Spotty. Prediction, by Q1 2026, this duo unveils a killer chip, Intel plus 20%, NVIDIA rides the wave. Upside? US chip renaissance, jobs boom. Downside? Antitrust probes if it smells monopoly. Twist? China retaliates, tariff spike, volatility gold. That's your Intel NVIDIA $5 billion showdown. If this lit your trade fire, like, subscribe, bell on, AMD's counter next. Comment your stock pick, share the heat. Thanks for charging with Area 72, stay bullish, stay bold.